Now, in these properties, we have seen three: closure, commutative, and associative. You have to learn also. And now, the next property is additive identity. Addition में identity element होता है, वो क्या है? So, in the additive identity, we get 0. Why you call it as the additive identity? Because किसी रैशनल नंबर के साथ वो आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट ऐड करने पे यू गेट द सेम रैशनल नंबर. तो वी ऑल नो if any rational number is added with 0, then only we will get the same number. So it is easy to remember. The additive identity element will be 0. If a rational number is added with 0, we will get the same answer. It is not difficult to understand. Even if you don't simplify, simply say 4 plus 0 is 4. Similarly, 2 upon 3 plus 0 will be 2 upon 3. And now, similarly, 0 is added first with that rational number, then also we get the same number. Take another negative rational number, minus 1 by 4 plus 0. What do you get? Minus 1 by 4. So, additive identity, what is that? 0. How do you explain it? If any rational number a upon b is added with 0, you get a upon b. Or 0 is added with a rational number, we get the same number, so 0 will be the additive identity for these rational numbers. Now we come to the next, that is additive inverse property. Additive inverse property का मतलब जो है, कोई भी rational number है, उसके साथ कोई भी एक rational number लेने के बाद उसके साथ क्या जोड़ा जाए, और what we will add, we are doing addition, क्या जोड़ा जाए, then we will get the identity element. वो identity element मिलना चाहिए. So if I take 4 upon 5, see an example, 4 upon 5 के साथ हम लोग ऐड करेंगे what, ताकि आंसर हमको क्या चाहिए, 0. तो it's very simple. Before doing this, I will ask you a question that 7, mentally बताइए, 7 के साथ क्या ऐड करेंगे, I will get 0. We will add minus 7. So what is the meaning? 7, just the opposite, minus 7. If I say minus 7 के साथ क्या ऐड करें कि that we will get 0. So minus 7 है तो 7 ऐड करेंगे. This is the same way here you will explain a rational number. That is 4 upon 5 added with minus 4 upon 5 will give you the example, and the steps are shown here. Steps are यहाँ पर दिखाया. You can go through. It is not difficult now to simplify. And now the answer is 0, the identity element. Identity element हम लोगों को मिलना चाहिए. Now take the other order, commutative. Minus 4 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5. हम लोग simplify करेंगे. Then also I will get the answer 0. Similarly, कोई भी एक rational number ले लीजिए, 1 upon 7. What will be the additive inverse? Minus 1 upon 7. No? Like that you can go through. So identity element 0 मिलना चाहिए. Then we say that this will be the additive inverse. So additive inverse, कोई भी rational number 2 upon 3 का additive inverse find out करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, just the opposite साइन से वो करते हैं. माइनस है तो प्लस ले लेंगे, प्लस है तो माइनस ले लेंगे. दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर, वी हैव टू रिमेंबर हियर. सो वी विल बी noting that the opposite of 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3, and the opposite of minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 का additive inverse minus 2 by 3 हो गया, minus 2 by 3 का additive inverse 2 by 3 हो गया. That is what we have to understand here up to this thing. Now for the next we will see the next page. We are going to start properties of subtraction. In these properties of subtraction, first we take the closure property. Yes, when we take two rational numbers, जैसे addition में देखा था, in the same manner, and we subtract them. Here properties for subtraction. Now when we subtract, what is the answer we get? 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2. That is 2 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 2 by taking the LCM 6, bringing them 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon 6. The answer is 1 upon 6, which is a rational number. Now let us take about any other one. 5 upon 2 we can take minus 3 upon 2. One is plus, other is minus. So if these two rational numbers are also subtracted, we get 5 upon 2, then minus becomes plus 3 upon 2. 5 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 will be 8 upon 2. The answer is 4, which is also a rational number. 4 is a rational number also. And now, see, in this case, whether it is both are positive, we are subtracting. One is plus and the other is minus, we are subtracting. When both are negative, we are subtracting. Then also we get the answer as a rational number. So what do we understand? By doing all these, we get the same rational number. So closure property is obeyed. Closure property isko sahi hai. ठीक है. Now we will be now coming to the conclusion. A upon B, C upon D are any two rational numbers, then A upon B minus C upon D, क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Subtract कर रहे हैं, is also called a rational number. That is called the closure property. And now the commutative property. Commutative property, associative property इसमें होता नहीं है, क्योंकि देखिए, let us see, 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 5. इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन आप लोग बुक में दिया है. यू कैन जस्ट आई हैव गिवन द शीट ऑल्सो, एंड सो यू कैन गो थ्रू. द आंसर इज 7 अपॉन 20. उसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन में डिटेल्स में हम नहीं जा रहे हैं, दैट यू कैन गो थ्रू. हमने दिया है इसका वीडियो में, तो आप देखिए तो इसको यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. एंड नाउ सिमिलरली इफ आई टेक 2 अपॉन 5 माइनस 3 अपॉन 4, ऑर्डर बदल के ले लिया, 2 upon 5 ले लिया, minus 3 upon 4 ऐसे करके ले, then the answer will be what? minus 7 upon 20. पहला वाला में 7 upon 20 आंसर आया, दूसरा में minus 7 upon 20. So the answers are differing now. So therefore we can say 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 5 is not equal to 2 upon 5 minus 3 by 4, 3 upon 4. So the commutative property is not true. So if any two rational numbers are taken, A upon B and C upon D, then A upon B minus C upon D is not equal to C upon D minus A upon B. Now we go to the associative property of this subtraction. In the same manner जैसे हमने addition में explain किया, यहाँ पे group change करेंगे. 3 rational numbers 5 upon 6, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 ले लिया. पहला ग्रुप में ये दोनों को कर दिया 5 upon 6 एंड 1 upon 2, और दूसरा वाला में 1 upon 2 एंड 1 upon 4 को ग्रुप में कर दिया. सो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने पे क्या आंसर मिला? 1 upon 12. करेक्ट. अब दूसरे को, अब ये देखिए 5 upon 6 को अलग करके माइनस ऑफ, एंड देन इट विल बी 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. And now this will be the answer will be 7 upon 12. The answers are different, है ना? Both the answers are different. Therefore ये associative property भी इसमें सही नहीं है. तो इसमें closure property केवल subtraction में केवल closure property ठीक होगा, वो सही होगा, और commutative and associative नहीं होगा. That's all in this one. Here we are seeing some examples, and you have to say, and it is written over here, we have to judge what property is used in the following 3 examples. One is minus 4 upon 5 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus minus 4 upon 5. That is, the answer is minus 4 upon 5. This is a solved example. I am just giving you the explanation. तो इसमें what is the property? Get the same answer मिलने के लिए 0 ऐड किया, that's the additive identity. And now the second one, you can see all the rational numbers are in the same order, left hand side में भी right hand side में. Only what is changed? The group is changed. तो group change होगा तो क्या होगा? That property is called the associative property. This is the easiest way how you can understand. In the third example, so you have got the order changed. The order is changed. So here you can see, so the left hand side and right hand side are equal when the order is also changed. So it is called the commutative property. Now we are going to see some other example. Here, example, find the sum of these rational numbers. Some are positive, the some are negative. We take the positive one together and the negative one together. That is what I have explained. So now, when I take the positive one together and negative one separate, like that, what the LCM is? The LCM of the first bracket will be 6. So then, accordingly, when it is simplified, simplify करने पे हम लोगों को आंसर मिलता है 5/6. It is written simplified, so you can see the book also. And now then the negative numbers, when it is taken the LCM and simplified, we are getting the final answer as -17/50. Now finally, these two rational numbers, one is positive, the other is negative. When we take the LCM of the denominators, we get 30, and it is simplified 25/30 plus minus 34/30. So the answer will be -9/30, or it will be common factor cut जाने के बाद -3/10. Now the next example, what should be subtracted from 5/7 to get 11/4? We don't know what should be subtracted, तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? x को मानेंगे. Let x be subtracted. बाकी ऐसे ही लिख दीजिए, क्वेश्चन में देखें. Let x be subtracted from 5/7 to get 11/4. ऐसे. Now then, how to write it in the mathematical algebraic expression में, equation में क्या लिखेंगे? X be subtracted from 5/7. That means 5 from पहले लिखेंगे. 5/7 minus x is equal to 11/4. Now, adding this we get, or transferring, we can do in so many ways. Now we are going to transfer. Suppose we transfer this minus x to the other side, it will become plus x. That they have not done here like that, but or keep the minus x there and then take 11/4 and minus 5/7. So then we will be getting minus x is equal to, that's what they have done here. तो इसमें हम लोग minus x is equal to कितना मिला? 57/28. So x क्या हो जाएगा? ये minus उस तरफ चला जाएगा, minus 57/28. So that is by subtracting minus 57 by 28, then we get from 5/7 we get 11/4. In the same manner, what number should be added to minus 2/5 to get? What number should be added के लिए भी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? In the same as the previous example, let x be added to minus 2/5 to get 2/3. So how will you change it into the algebraic equation? Minus 2/5 के साथ x को add किया गया ताकि हम लोगों को आंसर कितना मिले? 2/3. Then simplify, x is 2/3 plus 2/5 minus 2 हो जाएगा, and so then we get this answer as x is equal to 16/50. And that is, these are the examples I am explaining. Now here in exercise 1.2, what you have to do is, that is in the last page of the worksheet I have given, exercise 1.2 में I am giving you homework from question numbers 1 to 6. 1 to 6. All these example up to 1 to 6 we will do, and then the remaining we will see tomorrow.